everybody. Oh, let's do that this way. Nope, let's do that way. Well, hi everybody. Welcome back to the Degelman farm. It's about 24 hours after we shot. I don't know if you saw our little short video about the weather forecast. They were talking 10 to 15 inches of snow for our area. It's still snowing. It looks like it might be for a few more hours. But it's about 24 hours after that other video. We've gotten probably, we're not going to get that 10 to 15 inches. I'm guessing, maybe 6 inches here, I would guess. Something like that, but it's been so windy. Right now it's about 5 degrees. Wind's blowing. I don't know, you can see the flag up there. Wind must be blowing probably 20, 25 miles an hour winds. So we got some big drifts. There's some 3-foot drifts up by the house. I'm sure there's some pretty big ones back behind the barn. But we'll get some footage of us plowing this. Again, it looks like the bigger snow went off to the north of us a ways. Another, 40, 50 miles north of here. Looks like maybe they did get that 10 to 15 inches. But it's enough to make it pretty miserable here, and the drifting with the wind is going to be a challenge. Tommy's up there, up by the house. He's loving that. He's up there shoveling the sidewalk where it's really drifted in up by the house. I started the John Deere tractor a little while ago, so we'll get to plowing. It should be warmed up by now. So, right here in the driveway, it's not too bad. It blew clear in a lot of spots, but then other spots it's, like right in here, that's probably about a foot deep or so. Some drifting in front of the shed door, that's over a foot deep. And I'm sure behind the barn, where we got kind of a road, we've got sort of a road going all the way back by where the fire truck and stuff is. There's probably some 3-foot drifts there, if not more. But hang on. I'll let you guys ride on the tractor. I'll find a spot to stick you, and you guys can ride with. when you start the winter, you got to practice what he calls space management. In other words, start your snow piles far enough out so that as the winter, the snow accumulates, you don't run out of room. You got to start your snow piles back. Well, I started mine back what I figured was going to be far enough, but look how much. This is how much snow, and it's not all that snowy of a winter. I mean, these snowfalls have been, it's not been crazy, but look how big my snow pile's getting. We've got probably another month maybe of potential snowfalls before things really start melting, but yeah, it's getting to be quite a snow pile. That thing's probably, oh, I don't know, 8-10 feet tall, something like that at least, maybe a little more. As high as a John Deere can reach, and then some. Well, that's about all I'm going to do for tonight, folks. I just want to get the driveway opened back up. I'll finish it up tomorrow when it's even colder. But there's supposed to be more snow coming, a little more wind overnight. I just wanted to make sure we could get in and out with the cars. But I'll do all the finish up work, and behind the barn, I'll work on that stuff tomorrow. But that'll do it for today. I'm going to feed chickens, feed Ricky, right Ricky? Yeah, you're a good Ricky, feed the cats. I'm gonna go in the house and curl up, me and my chopper mitts,